So we're at Wood Spit. This is our anchorage. And just a few minutes ago we saw 2 orcas. At least one very, very big male. You can tell by a huge fin. And then a female out in front of him. So we're going to probably delay dinner a little bit so that we can get in the skiff and go orca chasing. Well, not chasing. We're going to view them from a quieter platform than this noisy. There they are. Look at them, there they are. They're right in front of us. Look at this. That was a female. Oh my goodness. Can you believe it? Oh, look at that fin. Oh my God, he's a big one. Holy smokes. Okay, I got so excited I burned the butter. The boat smells like smoke, but you can't blame me, it's orcas. Look at that! Oh my goodness. More! And a baby! This is so... Oh, look at him! So many. That's outrageous.